Can you cut grass in cold weather? There are few hard and fast rules for lawn mowing. Different grasses flourish at different times of year, experiencing seasonal growth spurts in response to either warm or cold weather. During periods of rapid growth, grass should be cut routinely, regardless of the outdoor temperature. In other words, grass should be mowed when it needs it, not according to a schedule, thermometer or calendar. Cool season grasses. As the name implies, cool season grasses grow best in cold climates. Popular throughout the north, they flourish in the spring and fall, where they often remain green beneath the winter snow. That being said, do not mow these grasses when they are covered in snow or frost. Wait for the ice to melt before trimming the blades to avoid damaging the fragile plant tissues. Cool season grasses also have a tendency to turn brown during periods of hot, dry weather. Do not mow the lawn in the summer until the grass turns green and begins to grow again. Allow the lawn to reach at least 4 inches in height before trimming, as this will help protect the roots from burning. Warm season grasses. Warm season grasses thrive in hot climates. Common throughout the South, warm season grasses grow most actively during the sultry days of summer, displaying a rich green color even when exposed to high heat, endless sun and periodic drought. Accordingly, they go dormant during periods of cold weather and generally do not need to be mowed once the daily high temperature drops below 50 degrees Fahrenheit.